Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let's take a look at the headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah chairs meeting of Southern Zonal Council in Thiruvananthapuram. Government planning to redevelop Them Yomolong into a commercial complex and hawkers market, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Financial position of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL is very grim, says Deputy Chief Minister in charge Power. And BJP National General Secretary BL Santosh on a two-day visit to Meghalaya reaches Shillong today. The news in detail. In Kerala, the 30th Southern Zonal Council meeting under the chairmanship of Union Home Minister Amit Shah was held today in the capital city Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, his southern counterparts including Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bombay and Lieutenant Governors from Southern Union Territories are among the attendees of the meeting. The Southern Zonal Council comprises the states of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and the Union Territories of Puducherry, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The meeting discusses a broad range of issues involving the centre and the states falling under the zone. The state government is planning to redevelop the land at Them Yomolong into a commercial complex and a well-organized hawkers market once the residents are relocated from there. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong disclosed the government's plan on Friday. He said it is a big achievement and breakthrough for the government that it managed to convince the CM of Hima Milliam to hand over the entire plot to it. Tinsong said the Urban Affairs Department will have to engage experts for the preparation of the DPR and the design for the two projects. He said the government's idea is to construct a modern shopping mall with a well-organized section for hawkers.
No doubt of it. It's a breakthrough, big deal and big achievement. Because all these years, that land where the agreement was signed long time back between the aim of Himalayan and the municipal board, that area will be converted, will be redeveloped into a shopping mall, shopping complex, the modern one, including a section of that land will be converted into a well-organized hawkers market, open market.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge Power, Preston Tinsong on Friday said that the financial position of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL is very grim. When asked about the demand for regularizing the services of the casual workers of the MEECL, who had recently staged a protest on the matter, Tinsong said that he understands very well their pain as some of the casual workers have been serving not less than 15 to 18 years, but the financial position of the MEECL is very grim. He, however, said the MEECL is also not in a financial position to fill up more than 1,000 plus sanctioned posts, which include that of junior engineers, assistant engineers, executive engineers, etc.
To fill up even these posts immediately, but we are working out only those. I understand their pain, no doubt of it, because some casual, they have been there working for not less than 15 years, some of them 18 years, some of them 10 years. I mean, most of them 10 plus. Okay, I understand the pain. But at the same time, let me just tell you, not less than 1,000 plus, even the sanctioned posts.
Amidst the simmering dissidents within the state BJP, BL Santosh, the BJP National General Secretary, is on a two-day visit to pole-bound Meghalaya and reached Shillong today. Soon after he reached Shillong, Santosh held closed-door meeting with state office bearers, mandal chiefs and general secretaries, and also leaders at district level. He is here to take a first-hand stock of the party position from the two sitting legislators, core committee members. Former SP M. Kharkrang also came with his supporters to meet the BJP leaders. Arjun Ram Meghwal, Minister of State for Culture, also came to BJP office to meet the party leaders and Santosh. The School of Social Work, Martin Luther Christian University, Shillong, in collaboration with the Department of Doctoral Studies and Research, MLCU, and ICSSR Northeastern Regional Center organized a two-day national conference on tribal development and inclusivity, prospects and interventions, which was held on 1st and 2nd September 2022 in the university campus. The conference was attended by speakers from the state and experts, faculty and students from across the country who presented their papers. While giving the introduction to the conference, Dr. Sailen Mang Haukip spoke about the unique culture and tradition of the tribal communities, which are deeply interwoven with their natural environment, including land and forest. In T20 cricket, all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja has been ruled out of the rest of the Asia Cup squad due to a knee injury. Akshar Patel will replace him on the team. BCCI announced that the All India Selection Committee has named Akshar Patel as the replacement for Ravindra Jadeja in the ongoing Asia Cup. Ravindra Jadeja sustained a right knee injury and he is currently under the supervision of the BCCI medical team. In today's match, Sri Lanka will face Afghanistan in a Super 4-stage match at the Sharjah Cricket Association Stadium. And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was 24.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 18.3 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 95%. 1.5 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. Forecast: moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah chairs meeting of Southern Zonal Council in Thiruvananthapuram. Government planning to redevelop Them Yeo Maulong into a commercial complex and hawkers market, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Financial position of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL is very grim, says Deputy Chief Minister in charge Power. And BJP National General Secretary B.L. Santosh on a two-day visit to Meghalaya reaches Shillong today. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Good night.